Alright, we just landed. It's a beautiful day, nice and cold out though.
It's the best gloves you could have found.
Found those for you.
Perfect.
We got Dad over here working on some type of project.
Nice hat.
Setting up Starlink.
Well, I'm trying. That's what it did the whole time I was here last time too. So we'll see.
My head size.
No, last time we brought sleds.
Alright, our first view of the cabin here, walking up towards it. We got some overhanging trees and lots of snow on the tree branches. Still here, standing. Ooh. Plenty of wood stacked still. There's the outhouse and the shed. And there's the front.
You did? Get lucky. The right key the first time.
Made it in. Oh, we better tour the cabin here.
Welcome
Alright, made it in. Everything's still here. Fireplace and the little chair. All the flies are still down there. Got the window. No view right now. Kitchen. Fridge is empty. Let's see what's upstairs. All the cots, got some chips. There we go.
Look, we got headlights for days in here.
Here's the back pond. Back windows here.
Amazing, yep.
Here we have Darren doing some trail maintenance.
What?
He's trimming the trees. He's getting angry.
We got the old shed here. Tools, fishing stuff. Nice view of the lake.